The fog remembers her name's scary story. The road. The fog rolled in without warning, swallowing the narrow road as Mira drove. Her phone lost signal. The radio crackled, then whispered her name. She turned it off, heart racing, but the whisper continued from the back seat. The house. She stopped at a lone house glowing faintly in the mist. The door was already open. Inside, the air smelled damp and old, like breath trapped for decades. Every floorboard creaked as if counting her steps. The mirror. In the hallway mirror, Mira saw herself smiling, though she wasn't. The reflection lifted its hand and knocked from inside the glass. The sound echoed through the house. The basement. A light flickered below. She followed it, shaking. In the basement, dozens of photographs covered the walls. Every one showed her arriving. The exit. She ran for the door, bursting back into the fog. Her car was gone. The house lights turned off. Behind her, the radio whispered again, calmly. Scene 1.